Me done me so many awesome I would tell me adults and then many ups and then I would see. So I was like, I was telling you so much shit, but you don't give a fuck. I woke up this morning, I made you breakfast, hoe. What the fuck is your problem, bitch? You got the newspaper on your shit. I don't give no fuck. You need to buy toilet paper in the middle of the evening of the day, hoe. I don't got time to be telling you how to manage your money. We don't got soap either in the kitchen. I'm surprised I gotta use it all the time for the laundry and shit. What are we doing out here? I'm waiting for you to say something. Bitch, don't play with my heart. Hello. I know you're on the goddamn shitter, bitch. Don't be fucking with me like that. You always do this morning. I told you. I saw you on Snapchat. I saw you on Snapchat, ho. You had the newspaper. What are you trying to do? Look for a job right now, bitch? God. Why are you looking for a job right now, bitch? Oh, you doing some lawn service out here? You doing lawn service? Lawn servicing or tire repairs? You know, there ain't really much in tire repair mechanics or whatever out here. You know that? Yeah. It's pretty fucked up. I don't know what the fuck happened. I think everybody kind of came up for a bit. Yeah. Well, goddamn, if I had a fucking yard with a goddamn garden, I would be a bunny then, huh? Exactly. I can't eat like that all day, especially if I need meats and red meats or whatever the fuck blood shit fucking... I need to keep my bloodline right. Well, apparently they said it's a healthy fucking meal, plate, whatever the fuck, some pyramid food shit. The fuck is that? They told me it's about some shit about some food chain animals and shit in school. I ain't Poindexter. I didn't have the goddamn chalk in my hand. Don't fuck with me right now. My cat is hitting its head on the goddamn mirror. I don't know what it did. Well, spinach is alright, isn't it? So don't get spinach all day, do I? I don't got lettuce and cabbage. Lettuce is okay, it's fair. Everybody gets lettuce. Cabbage is for my goddamn soup, but spinach is just both, isn't it? God! I'm not gonna squeeze my fucking neck in the fucking... What is that? Oh yeah, and this tuba fucking sweatshirt. You know, I can't do this shit all day. I need some cigarettes, and they fuck me up all day. You want me to cough? I told you I've been coughing out here. God damn, I need some cough syrup.